how to assemble your Southland wheeled string trimmer. You will need the following tools in order to complete the assembly. Remove the contents from the carton. Once you have inspected the contents to ensure you're not missing any items, you are ready to begin the assembly. Step 1. Handle assembly. First, orient the middle handle so that the small metal clips are to the right side and route the swivel cable through the middle handle. Then, secure the middle handle to the lower handle using 2 saddle bolts and plastic knobs. Make sure the plastic knobs are on the inside of the lower handle and tighten them securely. Orient the upper handle so that the V shape is upward and secure it to the middle handle using 2 saddle bolts and plastic knobs. Ensure the plastic knobs are on the inside and tighten them securely. Route the throttle cable below the right handles and fasten with the provided metal clips. Then, secure the swivel cable with the provided plastic cable tie. If routed correctly, your throttle cable and swivel cable should look like this. Step 2. Cutting head assembly. Rotate the trimmer head slightly to align the shaft splines and install the cutting head assembly into the clutch housing. Secure the cam lock inward and clamp the tube to the housing. If you can rotate the tube at all, unlock the cam lock, screw it inward, and clamp it down again. Recheck for tube tightness and repeat if necessary. Step 3. Install the debris guard. Caution! The trimmer knife attached to the debris guard is sharp and can cut you. Handle with care. Insert the tab on the metal mounting bracket into the slot on the debris guard. Using an adjustable wrench, install the hex head cap screw through the bracket and into the metal insert of the debris guard. Step 4. Wheel assembly. Using the longer shoulder screw and spacer, install the right wheel to the frame. With a 14mm socket or wrench, tighten the screw fully. Using the shorter shoulder screw, install the left wheel to the adjuster assembly stud. With a 14mm socket or wrench, tighten the screw fully. Step 5. Install the string storage. Snap the lower tube clip onto the left middle handle using the lower pierced hole. Snap the upper tube clip on the left middle handle using the upper pierced hole. Install the clear tube with the provided extra string into these clips. Step 6. Test the swivel adjustment. Depress the finger control on the right upper handle. This will unlock the trimmer head and allow it to swivel 2 positions to the right. This position will allow for easy trimming around obstacles or under fences. Step 7. Test the bevel adjustment. Locate the handle in front of the left wheel. Deflect this handle outward and rotate to the desired position. This will position the trimmer head at an angle, allowing the trimmer line to cut closer to the ground. And that's it! You have successfully assembled your Southland wheeled string trimmer.